We need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love.
Hey everybody, it's your boy Spicy K, and today, we're back at it with another food review. And today we're gonna be reviewing Nutella breadsticks and go. Nutella and go. Okay. It's got a little, it's in a plastic container, the little tin foil top part. It's two little separate sections. There's a hole in the bottom, because like this whole thing isn't filled with Nutella. I wish it was, but it's not. The breadsticks are about 2.5 inches long. We got the Nutella in the back. What's good, my G? Another food review featuring my holographic cat. It's good. So, I don't know. Initially, first bite, I don't really know what to tell you. Like, the sticks are kind of, wafery and don't have much flavor to them themselves, but the Nutella, not on the table, the Nutella has so much flavor that I feel like it makes up for the fact that the breadsticks don't have any flavor. And, I don't know. I feel like you can put them in and you can, like, scoop them across, but I feel like that'll break the stick. The sticks aren't all that strong. And if you break a stick in Nutella, you're kind of hecked out of luck. And these are nice, they're nice and small. You can fit them in your pocket. You can fit them in your pocket. Huh. If you're like going on a trip or something, you can just carry them along. And they're easy. And honestly, people that are allergic to nuts, I feel bad for because they can't have peanut butter and they can't have Nutella. And Nutella's just so great. But I think that the Nutella is really good, but the Nutella and go with breadsticks is not as great as it could be. Like, you remember there was always be those cheese and cracker things with like the spreadable like garbage cheese. Those were really good. I thought those were really good. And I feel like the Nutella and Go doesn't live up to the cheese and crackers, the name of the cheese and crackers, you know what I'm saying? And it's just unfortunate. Also, I'd like to take a break in this food review to honor my new poster. It's a picture of me, man. Isn't that funny? I think that's pretty funny. Also, there's gonna be a Kraft mac and cheese food review up very soon. Uploading it as we speak. I'm just trying to make some content because haven't uploaded a video in a month, and my watch time is down 197 minutes. So, yeah, I figured if I make a lot of content, I'll get more subscribers and I'll get more likes and whatnot. And I'm gonna get 250. But here's the thing. I might not cut my hair. I might leave it long, grow it to like, I don't know, like neck length, shoulder length, and then bunch it up and tie it into like, I don't know what it's called, dreads. Tie it into dreads and look like Lil Pump. Because Lil Pump is great. You guys ever seen Lil Pump's YouTube channel? Make sure to check that out after you're done with this video. Yeah, watch the Pump University videos. They're super funny. And his editor's really good, so. These Nutella Nut and Go with breadsticks. They're not my favorite, and after eating a lot of them, you know, after just eating one serving, the flavor kind of drops and like they aren't as appealing to me anymore. And the Nutella itself is a 9.2, but with the container and with the breadsticks, I think Nutella Nut and Go is going to be a 7.8. I think 7.8 sounds good. Yeah, I don't know. You know, I'm pretty much out. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Spicy K out. Gang gang is scared.